And the race is on. Dugo, anak papato, moving up its fields of gold, friendly fire, Dan Skorik, and Tinman alongside fifth by Dorel Espilio, and a long way back to Quick Storm, back to the front runner, Dugo, anak papato, by about 3 lengths. It's Dugo, anak papato, followed by friendly fire. On the outside is Dan Skorik. And rounding the far turn, now the course of the wind has been altered with entry number 2, Dan Skorik. Now the leader, this time by about 2 lengths. To go, anak papato in second, friendly fire, Tinman, Fields of Gold, Pilio, and Quick Storm is still the tail ender as they race the far corner. Dan Skorik by about 5 lengths. Dugo, anak papato, Fields of Gold in between runners by the friendly fire, and nearing the finish line, Dan Skorik, and finally 2, Dan Skorik, Fields of Gold, friendly fire, Tinman, 7, Dugo, anak papato, Pilio.